سورة البينة.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful.
لم يكن الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب والمشركين منفكين حتى تأتيهم البينة.
Those who disbelieve from among the people of the scripture and the polytheists were not going to leave their disbelief until there came to them clear evidence.
رسول من الله يتلو صحفا مطهرة.
A messenger from Allah reciting purified pages.
فيها كتب قيمة.
Wherein are correct and straight laws from Allah.
وما تفرق الذين أوتوا الكتاب إلا من بعد ما جاءتهم البينة.
And the people of the scripture differed not until there came to them clear evidence.
وما أمروا إلا ليعبدوا الله مخلصين له الدين حنفاء ويقيموا الصلاة ويؤتوا الزكاة وذلك دين القيمة.
And they were commanded not, but that they should worship Allah and worship none but Him alone, and perform the prayer and give the charity, and that is the right religion.
إن الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب والمشركين في نار جهنم خالدين فيها أولئك هم شر البرية.
Verily those who disbelieve from among the people of the scripture and the polytheists will abide in the fire of hell. They are the worst of creatures.
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات أولئك هم خير البرية.
Verily those who believe and do righteous good deeds, they are the best of creatures.
جزاؤهم عند ربهم جنات عدن تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها أبدا رضي الله عنهم ورضوا عنه ذلك لمن خشي ربه.
Their reward with their Lord is paradise under which rivers flow. They will abide therein forever. Allah will be pleased with them and they with Him. That is for him who fears his Lord.